Hey guys, hi. I hope everyone is doing great. So what I will do, I will quickly tell you how to set up our own custom layout. As you can see, the layout I have the default layout open, and this will the exact same layout that you will be seeing if you are opening a Unity for a very first time. But there is a way where we can customize our layouts. So I will quickly do it as we are building our own project. It is very handy to make to get comfortable with the layout that we like, in short. So personally, I like inspector to be here. I will just place hierarchy in the right hand side. Same goes for project. Okay, I will just separate it out, console and project, and then I guess, okay, I will simply try to make it one column layout. Yeah, I can move it, and I will keep these two in the same tab. I will rearrange it. Yeah, yeah. So here is a hierarchy, here is a project panel, which is, now you can see, one column layout, and it is a two column layout. I personally like one column layout. You can choose whatever you are comfortable with. And the second most important thing, I don't need a set store, so I will close the tab. And here you can see you can customize the game tab as well. I will just simply make, can I make it small? Oops. Yeah, I will place it here for now, my face. Anyways, so here you can see we have kept our scene and game panel on a different panels, so that we can clearly see scene as well as game view. So yeah, let's get started. So right now we are having a free aspect. So this is something called as resolution. So for this particular project, you can see like there are a bunch of different resolutions. If you check this 5.4, then this will be a different resolution. If you check 4.3, then this will be a different resolution, right? So here you can see you can select bunch of different resolution. Majorly for PC games we go for 1610 or like 16:9. But yeah, for this specific project we will be working with 5.4 resolution. So here you can see my background color. I have set it like, you can see your color is something like this. But yeah, simply I have turned it full black. Like in the main camera there is a component, there is component called as camera. So if you click on the background, you can select the background color. So for this project I will keep the background color purely black. So yeah, like these are the basic things that I need to set up before starting up. So yeah, I hope you are following till now. So yeah, thanks a lot.